we are getting closer and closer to the castle, so I think you guys will get a very nice view of it. So yes, let's go. Make sure you watch till the end of this video because you don't know the surprise that is coming. I have so many surprises for you guys. So guys, there is this thing I want to ask you. How many times do you get active, like in a day? Do you go to the gym? Do you go for hiking? Or are you a walking person? Or are you lazy? Like, how many times do you get active in a day? Or like, how many hours? If you go to the gym, how many hours do you train? And all that? Leave it in the comment section below, because I have something about that I want to talk about it with you guys. So yeah, as you can see, I'm panting. Yeah, we are on a hike on the mountain and it's not easy. Imagine I didn't have water. Drink water. It's summer. Stay hydrated. Like guys, see where my colleagues are? So far from us. They don't care. They don't care. Is it that I'm slow? They don't care about me, bro. This is so sad. So sad. Guys, this is beautiful. I told you guys I have a surprise for you. You see this? This is like in a movie. Wow. Ooh. So guys, let's go around the castle. Let's see what is around this place. And this is the beauty, like the back, the front and all that. Yeah. Wow. This is the side of it. Ooh. Oh, they have this little gate here, and then this is how it looks like. This is the other side of it too. Isn't it beautiful? It's like in horror movies, like in Merlin. It is. Yeah. So guys, just give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and then let's continue from here. So this is a very beautiful castle and I would really love to go inside, but that is not the reason why we came here. We came because of a bird show. So I think one time I'll come here and give you a full vlog about this place, why it exists and who lived in there and all that. I'll bring you guys all the details, so you guys should just subscribe to my channel and wait for all this information. So guys, we're about to enter the bird show, but maybe I might not be able to video because they said videoing is not allowed. But if I am, I'll bring you guys everything that happened inside there. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so I asked and they said I can video, so I'm showing you guys a view of this place. Look.
Hi guys, you guys know me from the previous videos of Nanajima. It's me.
This was when she began to explain what we are about to do and what we are about to see, and it was a surprise. This was my first time watching birds give you a show. Like, I looks so amazing. Like it's refreshing. It's nice to see the birds flying, going and coming and